Hi guys, I'm here at PNS, Perera and Sons. This is in Sri Lanka and this is the view outside of the PNS. Hi!
Hi!
Hi, madam! She's like,
Sri Lanka!
hi guys! Guys, this is the cake of PNS. It looks so sweet. It's like my relationship. It's very sweet. Char. Of course, they have bread also. Like, it's just typical bakery. Pero pinasosyal. Guys, they have cupcake also. Smaller slice of cake. And it's affordable. And the taste is delicious. So, hi guys! I'm here in Sri Lanka and I'm here in PNS. Perera and Sons. I'll eat here chocolate cake and I drink Nescafe. And it's finished already. So guys, I will taste the cake. This is the best seller cake. I think, yeah, it's true. And the taste was good. Amazing. Who doesn't know, I'm here in Sri Lanka. Kaya lang. Bye!